Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy data on Lyca Mobile. First, make sure your Lyca Mobile SIM is active and insert it in your phone. Also check that you have enough balance because data bundles are deducted from your prepaid credit. Start by topping up your Lyca Mobile balance. You can do this by buying a top-up voucher from a local store, using online top-up services, or recharging directly from the Lyca Mobile website or app. Once the top-up is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Next, you can buy a data bundle using a USSD code. Dial the Lyca Mobile data bundle code on your phone. The exact code may vary depending on your country, so follow the on-screen menu after dialing the code. Now, choose the data plan that fits your needs and confirm your selection. Alternatively, you can buy a data bundle online. Visit the official Lyca Mobile website or open the Lyca Mobile app. Then, log in using your Lyca number, go to the Data Bundles or Plans section, select your preferred data package, and complete the purchase. After purchasing the data bundle, you will receive an SMS confirmation from Lyca Mobile. Once the confirmation arrives, your mobile data will be active, and you can start using the internet immediately. If the data does not working, try restarting your phone and make sure mobile data is turned on in your phone settings. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.